Ramp Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get business credit cards wrong by focusing solely on rewards, but the Ramp Credit Card takes a different approach. The surprising truth is that it's built for spend management and efficiency, not just cashback. Ramp offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases with no categories to track, making it simple for busy business owners. Beyond rewards, it integrates with accounting software, provides automated expense categorization, and offers real-time reporting. These tools help companies save time and reduce overspending. There's no annual fee, and employee cards can be issued with spending limits, giving small businesses flexibility and control. The card also includes virtual cards for online payments and advanced security features. The downside? It's not ideal for personal use, and travel perks are limited. The rewards are straightforward but may not match high-tier travel cards. Verdict: worth it for businesses seeking expense control and simple cashback. Leave it if you want premium travel or luxury perks.